Welcome to the video of microcontrollers and embedded system. Today we will look at the concept of microcontrollers and embedded system, that is the concept of components of CPU and its working, and AVRs working in CPU. So basically here we can see that inside the CPU, the components of CPU basically consists of a program counter, a register, and arithmetic logic unit, and an instruction decoder. Basically, as we all know that an ALU is a digital electronic circuit which conducts operation on binary numbers in mathematical and logical ways. And program counter is basically a register that manages the memory address of instructions to be executed next. And instruction decoder, it basically decodes and interprets the contents of the instruction register, that is, it splits all instructions into fields for control unit to interpret. Registers, as we all know, it is a type of a computer memory used to quickly accept, store, and transfer data and instructions that are being used immediately by the CPU. So here is a circuit diagram of a CPU, in which we have a memory, and here is our CPU, which consists of the four components which I have discussed earlier, and there is an address bus, data bus, and a control bus. Basically, the address bus allows the CPU to send the address to the RAM. Data bus allows the applications and devices to work together as one integrated system. Basically, the input and output data goes to the data bus. Basically, the selection of the input and output depends on the data bus, and control bus is basically a part of the system. It is present in every CPU, and it is basically the part of system bus and is used in CPU for communicating with other devices within the computer. Now if we see that address bus is connected to the this part. Here we can see it is a register, here a logic circuit, and here we can see it is there is the memory, and these are some commands. As we can see that first we can see that write the memory of the 17th memory location in A. Then he says that inside the B, first he says that in this write the 17th memory location in the first register, that is A. Then in the second command he says that transfer that memory instruction or data inside this register B. And then he says that write the memory or replace the 6th memory location inside A, and inside A then we with the help of this arithmetic logic unit or the binary adder, whatever, so we will add A, the 6th location A, and the B which was transferred first, and therefore we will get the value of register A inside this. And then inside the 7th memory location interpret the value of A. So here we can see that inside this address bus, if he says that this is 17th memory location, input and output location, and this is an input location if we say, and if we say that we add suppose this is our input location or the memory location 17, so inside this A register we will see that inside this A register we will see that this memory location will be stored, and then as we have seen the second command B, inside this B command, this A value will be transferred, and then we will see the sixth memory location, which can be anything. So, and then when the A register has been replaced by the sixth memory location, then this in this register the previous value of B, for example, if we give the memory location whatever you can say, if it is a 9 through the data bus, then in this A register we will see that with the help of arithmetic logic unit or the binary adder or subtractor, whatever, we will add A plus B. So the A register will store the new value, and then with the help of this A value we will store the memory location in 7th. And this is how the computer works. This is the process in